So you're thinking about moving to Tennessee. Today, we're talking about 5 reasons that you might not want to move to Tennessee, and we're going to get started right now. Welcome to the channel. If this is your first time here and you're looking for anything to know that you need to know about moving to Tennessee or even the latest updates on the real estate market, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click the bell for notifications, and you'll get notified every time we upload new content. My name is Michael, and Joshua, Rachel, James, David, and our team, we get calls from people just like you looking to move to Tennessee. If you have any questions about anything anywhere nearby, feel free to reach out, shoot us a text, give us a call, or send us an email, and we'll be glad to help you find a place where you can live, work, and play. Now let's dive in to the top 5 reasons not to move to Tennessee. Reason number 5, it's expensive. Some parts of Tennessee, especially Franklin and Brentwood here in the southern Nashville area, are some of the most affluent areas in Tennessee. With a median home price of $800,000 in many neighborhoods and the property taxes, the cost of dining out, this can really put a strain on your budget. If you're looking for affordable living, this might not be the place for you. Reason number 4, tourists, and more tourists. Middle Tennessee is a popular destination, from the charming downtown of Franklin, historic landmarks and festivals like the Pilgrimage Festival, all the way down to downtown and the Nashville music scene. It's great for the local economy, but can feel overwhelming if you're trying to enjoy a quiet day downtown. So if you're not a fan of crowds, this might not be your vibe. Reason number 3, traffic congestion. Tennessee's growth has exploded over the past few decades. And with the growth comes traffic, and lots of it. Whether you're trying to get from Cool Springs to go shopping, heading to Nashville to go to work, you're going to hit some serious traffic, especially during rush hour. Reason number 2, the weather. Summers in Tennessee can get downright brutal with the heat and the humidity, often hitting in the 90s and what feels like 100% humidity. You're just sitting there sweating. Now, not to mention, Tennessee is no stranger to severe thunderstorms and an occasional tornado warning. So if you're not a fan of unpredictable weather, this might not be your ideal place. And the number one reason that you shouldn't move to Tennessee is you might have to be friendly. Towns like Franklin, Brentwood, Lebanon, Hendersonville, Murfreesboro, they're classic southern towns with neighbors that stop and chat, strangers say hello, and people expect a certain level of warmth and hospitality. If you prefer to keep to yourself and you don't like these tight-knit communities, it might not be the best fit. So there you have it, the top 5 reasons not to move to Tennessee. But in all seriousness, Franklin, Brentwood, some of these towns are some of the most sought-after places in the state for a reason. Their charm, the community, and the quality of life are hard to beat. If you're thinking about making that move or just have questions, don't hesitate to reach out. My team and I would love to help you navigate the process. And don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell, and you'll never miss a video about life in Tennessee. Until next time, take care. See you next video.